WTT YouTube channel terminated. Here's what happened by Coach EmRatThich. WTT's official YouTube channel has been terminated. The reason? A serious security breach. According to WTT's announcement, their channel was compromised, hacked by crypto scammers. The hackers gained access, changed the content, and started streaming crypto-related videos, likely violating YouTube's policies on scams and misleading content. Shortly after, YouTube terminated the channel to prevent further damage. Unfortunately, the ITTF channel also appears to have been affected. This kind of hack isn't new. Several major sports organizations have faced similar attacks. It exposes a bigger issue: poor cybersecurity in sports media channels. WTT says they are working urgently with YouTube to restore access. For now, there's no new table tennis content, no matches, no highlights, just silence. Let's hope WTT learns from this and comes back stronger, with better protection for the sport we love.